innocent lives are on the line and children's lives are on the line. And we won't stand by and let until we get more aid in there. We should be getting hundreds of trucks in, not just several. And I won't stand by, we won't let up, and we're not going to pull out, trying to pull out every stop we can to get more assistance in.
We're also going to redouble our efforts to open up a humanitarian maritime corridor to deliver amounts of humanitarian assistance by sea, hopefully large amounts by sea. This is, of course, in addition to expanding deliveries by land, which we have been keenly focused on now for many months. We'll continue to push Israel to facilitate more trucks going in and more routes being open so that more aid can get to more people.
من حد ما دخلت المساعدات بدأت الدبابة وطائرة الكواد كابتر بتطخ على الناس المتواجدين غادي، الناس اللي رايحة تجيب لقمة عيشها ولقمة أولادها، بدأت تطخ عليهم وأصبح هناك العديد من الشهداء والإصابات.
كنا على خط الرشيد بنستنى المساعدات الساعة 3:30 اللهم صاروا القذائف يطخوا على الناس، فكنا على الشط عود ابني جري على الشط لو طخوا طلقين، واحد في جنب راسه جا شحط وواحد اجى في صدره.
Continue to supply weapons to Israel after what happened yesterday in Gaza.
We are still helping Israel with their needs to defend themselves.
Hoping so. We're still working real hard at it. Not there yet.
What is the biggest holdup right now?
I'm not going to tell you that because that'll get involved in the negotiation.
What needs to happen in negotiation?
Well, there has to be an agreement on the timing, and they're still far apart. Thank you.
который был принят вчера на встрече в Москве, вот этих палестинских фракций, впервые они записали готовность уважать платформу организации палестинского ПЛО, Организации освобождения Палестины. Если это не останется лозунгом, но это будет, в общем-то, неплохим шагом вперед к тому, чтобы они стали действительно едины и одним языком разговаривали с внешним миром.